third reason that I have, that why I believe that we should make in India, is that countries have to be self-reliant on some of the basic things that have to happen in the nation. We certainly have proven ourselves very well with the Green Revolution. We had a White Revolution. And I think it's time for us to have a manufacturing revolution. Because it's not the sense of pride alone that matters for a nation, but equally important is the fact that the national security is also at stake. What guarantee do you have that some of the equipment that comes from China is not taking off information from this nation? What guarantee is there that equipment, when it's all completely functional, would not go down one day just by a flick of a button from China? So therefore, the third reason I believe that there is an imperative need for India to manufacture in India is the need for self-reliance. So therefore, I have established my case at this point of time by saying employment generation, the import bill, and the self-reliance makes a strong case for making in India. Then comes the questions, and why are we not making in India? I think Mr. Rungta covered several of them earlier, so I wouldn't definitely go back and repeat them. But let me give you a few things that I think are very important. The first and the foremost, I believe, is the competitiveness in terms of manufacturing. Today, if you look at what we have as infrastructure, the cost of freight, the cost of conversion, the cost of interest, all put together, there are very detailed analysis that's been done, reports which are available, and I respect those authors who wrote them, indicate that the costs in India are at least 6 to 8% higher compared to what happens globally. So therefore, if you want to become competitive in manufacturing, you've got to address these issues in making sure there is cost competitiveness that has to come into play, that is the 6 to 8%. The second one, which I think is, I will re-emphasize, Mr. Rungta talked about it, is ease of doing business. We rate somewhere at 142 position compared to 142 position out of 189 positions globally.